welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of the LitezAll R1 Lantern flashlight. Don't know why my camera just decided to cut out after that. So yeah. So here is the USB. Now this green is actually rubberized, so that's pretty cool. It's not just hard plastic, they did put a piece of rubber on it. And if you want to reinstall this, see a little notch down there. Put it in down there. It doesn't hold in there, but yeah, it just comes out. And then to kind of hold it in place, what I recommend is go here first on the up part with this. There is a little notch right there, so just slide right in the little notch, and then the bottom will go in. And it kind of holds in there now. It won't come out until you pull it forward. But yeah, let me. So here's how long it is. Kind of a long cord there. Let's say lit the light. Come on, why the heck is this camera doing this? So this, if I was gonna be hard plastic, it's soft. Listen to it. Yeah, that's actually soft. As you can see, I kind of am able to grab it, grip it. So that's what the light's going to be. There's two little star screws in there, so if you got like a hex driver, you might be able to get it out with the hex. I don't know why you didn't go with like regular Phillips with 4 hex screws. And then that's how you do it for the lantern, so it's flashlight. There is a little light up here. Doesn't mention that about charging, but I'm guessing that's for a charge light. So this is high. Not that much. I guess now it's in lantern mode or flashlight. Then low, which is just that one. So low and high actually looks the same, to be perfectly honest with you. So yeah, don't know why low and high looks the same, but I'm going to put it on high first. Let me go ahead and turn on some of the lights, and we'll go ahead and take a look at how bright this thing is.